Oh look, you can tell what hair is fake. You can see my little nubs, see my tracks in the back. It's just a LAURALEE kind of day. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today's video, girl, I got some tea to spill and I got some things to address, and it is fake makeup, but with my own brand. And I'm like, okay, what? I mean, I've definitely tested out fake makeup before on my channel and it didn't end that well for me. I actually ended up with a rash on my eyelids. That's what it was. It was like little whelps more than a rash. Rashy whelps, if you will, on my eyelids. So first of all, be careful with fake makeup. Second of all, I actually bought a fake Nudie Patootie, which this one's really popular around on the internet. This is the real one. Hello. And I bought a fake Cat's Pajamas right here. These are the two most popular fake of my brand. So I bought them, and when I got them in, I was like, girl, what is this? So I'm going to be trying them out for you guys. I have some news to address, some cease and desist to address. There's just so much we got to talk about, okay? So let me sing the subscribe song. I ain't going to ramble in this intro, and then we'll jump right in. Be sure and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe. Coming right on in. All right, jumping right into this video. First things first, we're going to address the cease and desist business. So I want to tell you guys the tea first, and protect you guys and protect y'all money and y'all dollar bills, because that's very important. Let me get a sip of water before I begin. Okay, cease and desist business. Whew. So some genius decided to make a website that looks absolutely identical to mine and name it LAURALEE.shop, and that can be very confusing to customers. However, it doesn't really pull up whenever you type in LAURALEE LA, so I don't know where people are actually finding the website, but it was brought to my attention from you guys, and it was brought to my attention, I want to say almost 6 months ago, and my legal team is working on it, and we did send them a cease and desist, and I will show you on my phone the website. So this is LAURALEE.shop, and it's literally like my banners. They change the banners to look like my website, like literally they're putting in work. So LAURALEE.shop, you're going to want to avoid like the plague, and let me tell you why. Because you might be like, well, I want to try some of the fake makeup, and let me tell you why you don't. This isn't real makeup, by the way. You're not going to get my brand here. Half the people have written me, was like, hey, I shopped at LAURALEE.shop and I got a fake palette, and then I realized it wasn't your site. And then people have emailed our customer service saying, oh my gosh, I made a huge mistake and I bought something off LAURALEE.shop and they never sent me anything. So they're literally like stealing people's money. We reported it, we've sent them a cease and desist, and we're working on getting it taken down, but I just wanted to put it out there to you guys so you're very careful. My website is LAURALEELOSANGELES.com. That is my only website. That is our website where we sell our product. LAURALEE.shop is not our website. Beware, because they're literally just taking people's money, and I'm working on getting it taken down. But anyways, I think like Poshmark and eBay is where I bought these two fake palettes. So let's talk about the Nudie Patootie one first. It is interesting. So I'll go ahead and show you the unit curtain. This is the original. This is the phony baloney. But similar, but quite different at the same time. So yeah, look, they even put it's distributed at like my distributing center. So that is frightening. And they've put my actual website on the back of it. Here is the original Nudie Patootie. Most of you guys have seen this if you are a subscriber on my channel. But if you're new, this is the original one. And then this is the phony baloney. A difference, I will say. And then on the back, so this is a sticker on the back of my palette that has information on it. And then they try to make it look like a sticker on the back, but it's really just on the palette. So that was kind of interesting. The YouTube channel they have is Laura BB Lee, not 88 Lee, BB Lee. And then the packaging is just super thin, and you can tell this is brand new, by the way. It's like falling apart, like all bubbled up. Like I could literally rip the paper right off. So a lot of times whenever people mimic brands or totally 100% copy brands, they change like a letter in the name. So that way I guess they think it can save them from getting sued. So instead of revealed, they spelled it with a Y right here. I just thought I would also, I'm going to try it out in this video as well so you guys can see the TTT. I mean, it's obviously the same color scheme, but there is quite a difference in color, and mine is used. So sorry, it's a little bit messy for this video. I didn't have a new one at the hizzy, and I'm going to be trying this out. So just hang tight for that. And now we're going to talk about the Cat's Pajamas. Here she is. So this little guy's pitiful, and I've actually, because Cat's Pajamas has been out quite a bit longer than Nudie, and this came out like literally a month after Cat's launch. I was like, dang, you're fast. You know what's also interesting? Every time I do these videos, people, and I'm like, don't steal people's designs. Not cool. I always get a comment that's like, you're rude, Laura. You should respect other people's hustle. They need to make money too. Like, yeah, but you're like stealing money in a sense. So like, make money the honest way. I don't know. Like, I get it. I do. I'm not a complete dick. Like, I get it. I'm like, dude, everybody needs to make money. And if they fall into this business, then, but you're going to get in trouble in this business. You're going to find yourself in trouble. So don't do it. So I look like a pack of wolves have attacked me today. Okay, moving on. Kat's Pajamas. Here she is in all her glory. This is my baby. This is my first product I ever launched with my brand. And yeah, so this is the remake of it. So Kat's is really sleek. It has like a glaze over it. And this one is, can you hear the difference? This one's really rough. And then you can clearly see the difference in design on the front. I don't have to explain it to you. See it? You see it? They're both sparkly though. The back of this one has nothing on it. And then my Kat's is lightly used. I picked the one that wasn't used that bad because my one that I use all the time, it's like rough. And I thought something was interesting about this. I thought it was interesting that they put a mirror protector in here. I'm like, girl, y'all skipped all the other parts of the palette, but you put a mirror protector to protect the mirror. Okay. Okay. And as I explained in my other video, if you ever need like a foundation palette or something to mix foundation, concealer, cream products on, these are actually great to save and squirt out your cream products and mix on because you can just toss them or wipe them, whatever you want to do. Also, the ingredients in these, because these aren't like actual registered approved products, God only knows what ingredients are in these, and it normally leads to rashes, breakouts, and unpigmented eyeshadow. Let's look at the mirror. I mean, they did take the time to do the cutout in the mirror and they did the flower pattern inside. We'll say the colors are way closer in this one than Nudie Patootie. So here, oh, hello. Camera, you're rude. So here are the colors and they do look a lot closer in color. If you can see that. Huh. Maybe that's why so many people bought this fake one right here. This one's a fake one. I get tagged in it all the time and I try to DM people back when I see them tag me in this. I'm like, hey girl, like that's the fake one. Be very careful. You know, you don't know what's in it. But yeah, I'm here to warn you here. I'm going to try them out though. I'm going to try them out and I'm going to swatch them for you and see like the tea. What if they're really pigmented? I will swatch them for you now and then we'll do an eye look and see the tea. So here we have Uncover. That's Uncover from the Nudie Patootie. And now I'm going to do Uncover from the fake Nudie Patootie. It's actually not that bad. These are not too bad. This is awful. This is awful. The mattes are really rough. Here is Strip, which is our yellowy shade. Okay, here is their Strip. So that's rough. I'm going to show you guys. I am digging in this. So we have Bare and Bare. And I'm going to swatch them both. Down my arm. Next, so you can see I have a good amount of both colors. We'll do Exposed and Exposed on the arm. The shimmers aren't bad. So this is the original All Natural. This is the fake one. Swatch them. Here's Reveal, the real Reveal. So you can get an eyewitness of my digging. This is the fake Reveal. Literally nothing. We have the real and the fake. Real Jaybird, fake Jaybird. We had the fake butt naked and the real butt naked. Wow, the fake butt naked was actually not bad. We have the real buff and the fake buff. Last, we had the fake naked and the real naked is the darker. Here is the fake Okie dokie. And then here's the real okie dokie. Here is the real Scattered Brain. Here is the fake Scattered Brain. This one's not so bad, but it is a little bit powdery. This is the real Balm Digate. And this is the fake Balm Digate. All right, here is the Cry Cry that is real, and then here's the fake Cray Cray. I mean, that's a sad story these two are. So inside with the fake palettes, the mattes are struggling a bit. So we have the real Redonkulous. I think both are really pigmented. And then we have the real Quirky. Actually, this was the fake Quirky. This was the real Quirky. Oh my God, I'm embarrassed. All right, we have the real Kooky. I promise you guys that's the real one. And then we have the fake Kooky. Up here, I'm gonna do the in one ear that's real. I'm gonna do the in one ear that's fake. Okay, and then we have the out the other that's real, out the other that's fake. And lastly, for swatches, we have the real oddball and then the fake oddball. Put my hair in this bun here, so we can now move on to the eye look, which this is going to be a very interesting part of this. I can't wait to see how these perform. I'm going to use the exact same color and do the exact same eye on each side of my face. I will use 2 different brushes for each side, so we're making sure not mixing colors. What eye look does she want to do today? Now I know I don't think I ever did a look with Jaybird, so I definitely feel like this was the hottest color in Nudie Patootie and the most talked about color, so I think it's time for me to use a little Jaybird in my life. But first, what transitions? I don't even know what I want. I want to do Strip, which is the yellowy mustardy shade. So we're gonna now have to pick a side. So this is gonna be the real, this is gonna be the fake. Let's do this, mamacitas. So I'm gonna take an R38 brush and I am going to blend this yellow shade back and forth up in my crease. And I like to go wild, just like getting that really blend in. Just small circular motions, buff it, buff it, buff it. Now I'm going to tap into their version of Strip. Here we go. Tap back in, gonna blend some more. It's clearly not as pigmented, but we're still gonna use it the same because I think it's really interesting to see how the looks turn out whenever you're doing the same things, but with a fake palette versus a real palette. Next, we'll go in with another transition shade, and I think I'm gonna take a little bit of Butt Naked, which is our warmer brown shade right here. R39 brush, and I'm gonna tap into the real Butt Naked. Oh, girl almost put it on the wrong side and ruined the whole video. Okay, here I go. Right up in that crease. Right up in her. Just really build up those colors. I'm gonna kind of drag it out a little bit and just make sure it's really nicely blended. Just gonna build up a little bit more color, so I tap back in. And we're just gonna keep blending. Here we go, let me get a clean brush. Now my brushes are gonna be dirty because I'm using them all for this look. I'm like, Okay, so this one was actually really pigmented whenever we swatched it. It's a completely different color, but we have to follow the rules here. And we're gonna blend her. It actually doesn't blend that bad, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's not that bad. So I'm gonna give props to this Butt Naked. However, I'm not encouraging you to buy this because, again, I don't know what ingredients are in here. And when my eye is swollen shut tomorrow, we'll have that conversation. I'm just kidding. I don't know that my eye's gonna be swollen shut, but you never freaking know. So I'm just working it in the crease. Gonna go back and forth. Wowzer. Okay. Now I'm gonna take just a little bit of Nakey, which is our darkest brown color in the palette. This is a matte brown. And I'm gonna take that R39 brush, the same one that I used on this eye. All right, so I'm gonna really pack it on. Just gonna blend that mostly in the outer corner to really deepen it up. That's what I love Butt Naked for. And then, or I'm sorry, Nakey for. And then I'm going to just keep building it up. I tap back in. Now I'm going to go in with this Nakey over here with the same brush. And I'm gonna work it into the crease. I'm gonna dip back in again. This is the one we had a little trouble with when swatching, so it almost looks like nothing's coming off. So I'm gonna prove to you guys. Can you see that swirl? And I'm gonna dig it in that area. Yeah, it's like not even coming off. Next, I'll take my MAC Pink Pot in Soft Ochre. Let me show you what she looks like in case you ain't seen her before. Meet Soft Ochre right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to both of my eyelids evenly, the same amount of the same product. This is an M170 brush. So just FYI, Nudie Patootie, it's looking like it's gonna be back in stock as well as all the bundles November 1st. Oh shoot, will this video, yeah, this video will be up. I'm like, will I have gotten this video up? So finally, geez Louise, it'll be back November 1st. Shameless self-promo. Plugging, y'all. She's plugging. That's not the point of this video. I've also put that in like a lot of my description box because I've been asked so many times. You know, I've kind of put it everywhere, but yeah, I'm just letting you know. Just letting you know the tea. Wow, these eye looks look almost like completely different. This is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna apply Jaybird to the eyelid right on top of the Pink Pot, and I'm just packing it on, and I'm just gonna go follow the line right where I put down that Paint Pot. And the Paint Pot's really tacky, so it helps the foiled shade to stick. Because honestly, these foil shades work best if they're wet Or they have like a really tacky base down, like a glitter glue base almost. They're not like an average eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna tap into this Jaybird with a different flat brush. And we're just gonna pack it right on top of that paint pot. Just pressing the color in. I'm gonna tap back in and really start to press the color. This eye look kind of all looks like the same color almost, just kind of morphed into one. You can really see the dimension of different colors in this eye look. But next I'm gonna put Stark on my brow bone from each palette. Stark, the original. And ooh, we're gonna put it right here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit her in the inner corner as well. And then here is Stark in this palette. This is a shimmery, like iridescent white. This one's definitely a matte white. I do like matte white eyeshadows though, but it's just different. Let me add some lashes and then we'll do the lower lash line. Next, I'm gonna take Butt Naked from the original palette and I'm gonna blend it from inner to outer corner. Oh, girl. And to get a precise blend, make sure you got a real stupid face on. And then I'm gonna go in with Nakey Nakey, which is our deeper brown, on the same brush. And I'm just really gonna smoke her out. In case you're wondering what lashes I have on Lily Lashes in Miami, and you can use code LAURALEE to save some coin. I'm gonna take this little brush right here. I'm gonna take Butt Naked, which was very pigmented. And I'm gonna blend it from inner to outer corner. And then I'm gonna take Nakey Nakey and blend that right on top. I'm gonna add a little bit of eyeliner and mascara to my lower lashes. And here you have it. Here are the two different looks on my eyes. I mean, this eye look actually doesn't look bad. It just looks like completely different than the real eye look, which is just crazy. If you want, maybe I can do another video using Kat's pajamas as well. And like, fake versus real, that could be really cool. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section. Long story short, don't buy fake makeup. I'm not encouraging it. You don't know what's in it. And also there was like some report a while back they found feces in fake makeup. Like, why would you ever mix poop in anything? Oh, we don't have enough formula, I'll just take a dump in it. What? So don't buy fake makeup. Beware of the website lauralee.shop. It ain't my website. They are just taking people's money and it's just an uphill battle, which I am fighting. I love you guys so much. Be sure and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're at the end of this video and you stay till the end, you're gonna comment the word. You're gonna comment the word cray cray, but don't tell anyone in the comment section. It is our secret for only the people that stay to the end of the video. Subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, comment the word cray cray. It's a secret. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.
Now what am I supposed to do? Go out in public like this? Now I gotta redo this whole entire eye.
Why did I do this?
We're done here.